I'm back out tonight mainly, gonna stay at Bothy. We're gonna do some wild camping, but the winds, they are kinda high. To be honest, it'll be a bit uncomfortable, so we're at a nice little Bothy, not too big either, so we're gonna stay there the night. Hopefully it's gonna be a good one. Hopefully we'll buy or sell as well. It's a bit awkward when someone else comes in. You might recognise this from my last one. Them trees that came down. I'm not going to say where this one is. I don't like to say where the Bothys are. Some people use them like the youth clubs. Take the mick a bit. We've already been up. Take some supplies up. And the stuff that was there the last time's gone. Bit of a shame, but we're going to leave plenty and look after it. Nothing better than being out on this, is there? I don't like seeing all that though with the trees. I know they're replanting them, but it's a bit of a shambles, isn't it? I'll have to go up there one day. Be a good viewpoint, I bet. Find this walk a little bit easier. Took some of the stuff out of my bag I'd never used. It takes a while to understand all the stuff that you don't use that you take with you that you think you'll need. Same with beers, take way too many. So it feels a bit easier the day, much easier to be honest. So I'm happy with that. There's a Bothy down there. Just that little path now. Look forward to getting in, to getting some scran. Lovely place around here in this valley. The wind is chucking her through though. There she is. Beautiful little place. Ideal in this weather, not too big to heat either. Well, there it is. We've had a check. There's a bit of wood round the back, but we've brought our own. Seen some fires in here, I know that. I'll get it open one day. Oh. Here's my bags off earlier, the supplies. Had someone's piss bottle by the looks of it. Dirty, rotten people. Oh. I'm looking forward to having some scran, I tell you that. Have a little bit of a tidy up as well. What Bothy do you know of that has granite worktops? I mean, they're wicked, aren't they? As Lee's just said, it does actually smell like Beamish Museum in here. Off the fire. We all know about them lights up there, don't we? You remember on the last one.
Oh, you don't.
Aye. That's what you reckon, Lee. Lee's cleaning his bit, I've cleaned my bed. Up there. And then I'm going to give this a bit of a brush up as well. Been left a little bit of a shithole. But aye. It's a nice little Bothy. Been a few little mats left as well. That one and that one. Nice as someone. We all know what these are. Little flex tail gear pumps. It's a lot quicker than using your mouth. 2 little clicks. That's it. Look how quick that's going up. Great little tools these. Saves a lot of time as well. Flying up there.
Full size.
that is a beast, that, like. Giving it a bit of a clean. It was quite dirty, to be honest. I am helping Lee. Just thought I'd Get a little video of them there. Now look how clean this is now, mind. It was rotten like before, to be honest. Got to keep it clean like you have with your house, haven't you? You're living in it. All set up now. There's Lee's sleep kit. That nature hike. It's wide. There's me on the top. You were lady. Bought another foil blanket just because it might be a bit chilly. There's all the wood stocked up in the corner. We brought all that in the corner as well. So plenty left as well, hopefully. Bit of a tidy, got all our scranning as well. I haven't got a clue what he's put on this radio of mine.
Magic,
Magic, aye. There's all bags, there's the little bags that were brought up as well. All the logs in. Just heading down to this little bit of water comes past. Comes from that direction. There's a Bothy there. Using my filter bottle, get some water in for cooking. Lee's coming in here in the morning. He's going to do some cold water therapy in it. Does it every day at home, but says it'll be quite nice to do it here. He's definitely in there in the morning, aren't you?
I'll be there in your pegs.
Cold water therapy, yeah?
It's not even that cold now.
Got a little hot chocolate on the go there. All set up with my scran. Some scran in there, Cumberland sausages, bit of mustard, cheese. Got your wraps in for the night. Some mashed potatoes. Right, mashed potato pot. Other bits of scran. Hot chockies, shortbread. Got my little thermos flask there. Passed her in. Lee's got his set up. He's on the wine the night now. Lethal. Both on the Vulcans actually. And then Lee has just discovered while he was lying down there before that people have been writing under here, so there's quite a few stuff, but I always find a funny comment somewhere. This is one I found. Where's it at? There. John is a dog nonce. There's always someone, eh? That's a great little purchase. I did that. UCO candle lantern. Let's have a look under Lee's there. Oh, there's sort of sticker there. And I know dogs on the bunk, so you've got to be lying under it to notice that. That's the sun gone down now. I think it's time to get the fire on. Got the candles on. Make quite a difference as well, but I think we need to get the fire on. Time to start rub ass here. It's quite a draft that comes in actually over there at the bottom of that door. So we're going to have some heat in here tonight. Can't beat a good fire, can you? Especially with some heat. We've got some wraps tonight to go with my Cumberland sausage, so I'll be getting them on top of there, heating them up. Splendid. That's our bait on the go. Cumberland sausages for me. Like I said earlier, with my wraps and my cheese. A few beers here left. Lee, what are you having?
Pasta wrap.
Pasta wrap he's having. Got his all day breakfast for in the morning there. He's got a pot noodle as well. Fire's cracking away there. Well, we've had our scran now. Time for a few beers. Got the fire on. Brought me tablets. We're going to watch the Dawn Wall tonight. So, heard it's a cracking one, so it should be canny. Nice and cosy and warm in here now. Drinks are sinking in. Watching a bit of YouTube, Blot outdoors. Lee's making a tea, I think, as well.
Getting some hot chocolate on, you know what I mean, Mandingo?
You're probably not going to see it on the camera, but this is one of the best things about coming up here in Northumberland. The dark skies. They are unreal. That's us settled in now. Been outside for an hour taking pictures. It's freezing, but you'll see them on my Instagram. You have to come and have a look. I'll put a few on here as well. But fire's on. It's warm. But yeah, it's been good. Like nice and warm in here actually, but it's freezing outside. You can't get away from them stars, can you? Unbelievable. The last of the alcohol, my slow gin. I make it every year and I drink it every year. Beautiful stuff. Bit of YouTube as well, eh?
The man-made 120-foot wall. There were 12 competitors, the icons of climbing, and it was so intimidating. So it's going to be a...
That's me in my bed, ready for a good night's kip. Got the place nice and warm now as well. Candles are still alight. Been putting them out. We've got the fire going there. Probably have to get up and give it a top up, but yeah, I'm ready for me pit. Hopefully it's this warm in the morning. Good morning. Good night's sleep, to be honest. Red hot, and it was nice. Lee's at the fire going there. Kept it on all night, to be honest. He was toasty warm with him being down there. Nice and light outside now, so it's time to get up, get ourselves sorted and get some breakfast in us. So peaceful out here. The sun's just touching the top of them hills there. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. Hot chocolate made. Time to go with Lee, down to do some cold water therapy. I'm not doing it. Looks like I've got a bit of a sty on my hand this morning as well. It's either that or Lee's battered as I don't know which one it is. But aye, let's go and see Lee.
See what we've got? What, slipping? Cold? Oh my god. Oh. Well, we're done.
And you're relaxed, eh?
Is that the breath's adjusted? This cold like must be about 6 degrees, 5 degrees.
He's doing 50 seconds in there. I'm not. It is fresh this morning, but I've got rain on, so I can't do this cold water therapy. On the other hand, he's smashing it. You think it was a summer's day the way he's going on?
Floating quite a bit, to be fair.
I can see. Breakfast on the go with a bit of magic chill there. Lee's on doing his as well. Cumberland sausage wraps with cheese and mustard. It is nice, it really is. Well, I left a little paragraph in the book there. Also put me Mark Outdoors sticker on as well, so people can check out my vlog out on YouTube. As you can see, the place is nice and tidy as well and clean. Plenty of wood in the corner there, there's plenty around the back as well. Fire's out as well. Lee's warming his shortbread up before we go. So he left nice and tidy. Well, that's us done, we're leaving now. Left it cleaner than what it was when we came. We bought our chopping axe, various bits of wood, some candles, lighter, See, it's very clean in here. Left some supplies in there, a couple of bottles of water, some other bits. Sun's coming out now, it's a lush day out there, so be a nice walk back. Yeah, it's been a good one, really enjoyed it. Definitely be back again, can't wait to be back again, to be honest. Really good eye, with it being small as well, the fire does keep it really warm in here, which was a worry. We're going to a bigger Bothy, but yeah, toasty warm all night. Got out a few times during the night where Lee did, because he was on the bottom, so he was on fire duty. He restocked it, and yeah, it was good. Really enjoyed it. What a beautiful day. Stunning. So heading back to where we're parked now. Beautiful around here. That's where you go and get the water down there. And a little bit of a stream that comes from up there. On we go, back up and away along. It's really hidden away this Bothy as well, which is what I like. Not many people sort of know of it either. Beautiful day. We're heading this way. Now we're going to head back anyway. It's not too late either, it's only like 9:30. Well, that's us back to the van now. It's been enjoyable. Really good, really warm. Highly recommend anyone who does wild camping go and do a Bothy night, especially in the winter. You know, in the summer, best off doing the wild camping, I think. But in the winter, yeah, keeps you out the elements. It's really good. I've enjoyed it. Next one's a wild camp or a hike. Try and get in before the snow, so it's a bit enjoyable. But yeah, it's been a good one. I'll see you on the next one.